Let me guess. You hear a question in English, your brain understands it perfectly, but then there's a pause. That little mental traffic jam while you search for the words in your own language, translate them, and then try to speak. By the time you answer, the conversation has already moved on. Frustrating, right? If that's you, then you are in exactly the right place. Ready to level up your English? I'm Max, and welcome to your weekly English workout at the Fluent English Podcast. Today, we are tackling the #1 speed bump on the road to fluency, translating in your head. Our mission is to destroy that habit. By the end of this session, you will have one simple, powerful tool to start thinking directly in English, making your speech faster, more natural, and way more confident. Sound good? Let's get to work. All right, team. First, let's be clear. Translating in your head isn't a sign of being bad at English. It's a natural starting point. When you learn any new skill, your brain looks for shortcuts, and using your native language is the biggest shortcut there is. But here's the hard truth. The training wheels that helped you start are now slowing you down drastically. Think about it. Every time you translate, you're forcing your brain to do 4 steps instead of 1. You have to hear the English, translate it to your language, formulate the answer in your language, and then translate it back into English. That's like trying to run a marathon with your shoes tied together. It's exhausting, it's inefficient, and it's why you feel one step behind in every conversation. And it gets worse. Direct translation is what makes you sound unnatural. Structure, idioms, phrasal verbs, they rarely translate perfectly. So you end up speaking correct, but strange English. This hesitation, this unnatural sound, it kills your confidence. So the target today isn't just to speak faster, it's to break a habit that is fundamentally blocking your path to fluency. We need to build a direct highway between an idea and your spoken English, with no translation detours. Ready to see how we do that?
So, how do we build this direct highway? The answer is simpler than you think. We're not going to use a complex grammar rule. We're going to use a technique I call the 5-minute immersion. It's a daily mental workout designed to force your brain to operate only in English, even if it's just for a short period. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1, choose your environment. Right now, look around you. Your room, your office, the park, wherever you are. For the next 5 minutes, this is your English-only world. No other language is allowed inside your head. Step 2, start with nouns. This is the warm-up. Look at an object and say its English name. Don't just think about it. Say it out loud. Table, chair, window, laptop, water bottle. Simple, right? You're connecting a real-world object directly to an English word, bypassing your native language completely. Do this for 1 minute. Step 3, add verbs and adjectives. Now, let's level up. Look at the same objects and describe them with a simple action or quality. Again, say it out loud. The laptop is closed. The window is big. I drink from the water bottle. You're not building full sentences yet. You're creating simple connections. Object plus description. Do this for 2 minutes. Step 4, create simple sentences. This is the main event. Now you build a full, simple thought about what you are seeing or doing. I am sitting on a black chair. My laptop is in front of me. The sun is shining through the window. The key here is simplicity. Don't try to say something complex. Just describe the reality around you using the English you already know. Do this for the final 2 minutes. 5 minutes. That's it. This exercise trains your brain to see the world and immediately access English vocabulary without the translation middleman. It feels strange at first. You might feel slow, but doing this every single day builds a new mental muscle. It makes thinking in English a habit, not a struggle. All right, enough talk. It's time to put in the work. Let's do a quick training drill together. All right, team, let's do a quick 1-minute drill. No pressure. The goal is progress, not perfection. I want you to imagine you're sitting at a desk. I'll guide you through the steps. Just answer out loud. Ready? Let's start with step 2, nouns. Look at your imaginary desk. I'll give you a 3-second pause after I name an object. Just repeat after me. Let's go. Pen. Notebook. Mug. Phone. Good. Easy warm-up. Now for step 3, add verbs and adjectives. I'll say a noun and you add a simple description. For example, if I say pen, you could say blue pen or I write with a pen. Anything works. Speak in the pause. Let's try it. Notebook. Mug. Nice. Now for the final level, step 4, simple sentences. I'll give you a prompt and you form a full sentence about it. Don't overthink it. Just say the first simple thing that comes to mind. Your first prompt is, your phone. What's a simple sentence about it? Good. Maybe you said, my phone is on the table, or I am checking my phone. Perfect. Next prompt, the door. Look at the door in your room. Give me one sentence. And stop. That's it. That's the workout. You see, you just spent a minute thinking and speaking directly in English. You connected objects to words and created original sentences without a translator in your head. That is a huge win. Great work today. You didn't just listen to a podcast, you took a concrete step towards English fluency. So here's your key takeaway. Thinking in English is a muscle. It gets stronger with daily exercise. That little voice in your head that wants to translate, you can train it to speak English instead. And that brings us to your challenge for the week. It's simple. I want you to practice the 5-minute immersion technique just once a day. That's it. Set a timer on your phone for 5 minutes and do the 3 steps we practiced. In the car, in the kitchen, on a walk. Just 5 minutes of direct English thinking. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to build a new habit. A habit that will make you a faster, more confident, and more natural English speaker. I'm Max, and I'll see you at the next training session.